ako ng galunggong. Ang galunggong ko, mahigit 1 buwan na sa freezer. Pinaksiw ko. So, ngayon, kailangan ko ng kanin. Magluluto ako ng kanin. Okay, sa ngayon, ito first time kong gagawin. Lalagyan ko naman ng Quaker Oats yung kanin ko. Bakit? Kasi marami akong Quaker Oats, hindi nagagamit, nasasayang. Itatry ko siya ngayon ilagay sa kanin. Try natin. Ito ay for 1 week ko. Pang 1 linggo na kanin. Nagsasaing ako. Sabado, 1 linggo ko na yan kakainin. Yan. Ilalagay ko lang sa rep tapos iniinit. First time kong maglagay ng Quaker Oats sa kanin ko. Di ko alam kung paano ko pa siya ilalagay. I'm going to try. Huhugasan ko. Tapos huhugasan ko, tapos ilalagay ko kapag kumukulo na ang kanin ko. First time, di ko pa alam. Baka magdagdag pa ako ng tubig. Ayan guys, sinugasan ko yung oatmeal. Di ako mahilig sa oatmeal. Ang dami naming oatmeal. Itatry ko siyang isama sa kanin ko. Para added fiber. Kumukulo na, lagay ko na yung Quaker Oats. Hindi ako chef, di ako magaling magluto. Palagi lang nag-e-eksperimento. Gusto ko lang lagdagan ng fiber yung rice ko. Di ako pwedeng walang kanin, di ako nabubusog. Okay, lutuin pa natin ng konti. Ayan. Guys, okay rin pala. Okay rin siya. Masarap kaya? Of course, siguro naman masarap yan. Saglit na lang, kainan na. Yan na yung kanin ko. Yan na yung kanin ko. Kuha na tayo ng kanin. Kain na tayo. Kanin with oatmeal. Si Eric di kumakain ng isda, kaya lang sa kanya steak. Ako, kanin at isda. And paksiw, kanin, Amerikano, gulay at mashed potato. Let's cook rice with black beans. I'm gonna wash the rice. Rice is washed. Let's put the black beans. Here you go. Let's add a little bit more water. Here you go. Let's put it in the stove. Here it is. Let's put it in the stove. You know, guys, I am cooking rice with black beans because I have pork belly. I'm gonna eat. Ito na. Kain na tayo. It's Sunday today. Let's cook rice for the week. I'll be cooking rice with garbanzo bean. Start it with 2 cups of rice. I'm gonna grind this garbanzo bean. I'm gonna wash the rice the usual way. I already have the rice washed. Now I'm going to add the garbanzo bean that I put in the ricer. I am adding this right now so it will cook with the rice because garbanzo bean is a little bit tough. It needs to cook together with the rice. Alright, let's put it in the stove and we'll see when we'll check it back soon that it's boiling. Yan, kumukulo na. Ito naman ang ating rice with garbanzo beans. Here we go. Inin pa natin ng konti. Rice with garbanzo beans. I'm gonna cook rice, but I will be adding split peas in my rice. This is the first time that I'm gonna use split peas to add to my rice. So what I'm gonna do is I will boil it first to make sure that it's cooked. Let's do half a pound, and then I'm gonna wash it and we'll boil. I was the split peas and I put water. I'm gonna put this in the stove and we'll let it boil. First time ko maglagay ng split pea sa kanin ko. So, hindi ko alam kung pwede kong isabay sa pagluto ng bigas or mas mabuti na mas sigurado pakuluin ko muna bago ko ihalo sa bigas. Ayan, kumukulo na. Ayan, siguro mga saglit pa at pwede na. Look, tingnan nyo. Ito ay split pea. Lalagay ko sa bigas sa sinaing. Para yung kanin ko may more fiber. Ayan, malambot na. Magluto na tayo ng kanin, tapos lagay natin kalahati. Ayan guys, rice for the week. Magluto tayo. As usual, I have the rice. And then we'll put the split pea to add fiber to our rice. Okay, here you go. Ayan ang kanin natin na may split pea. Kumukulo na. Ayan na ang sinaing ko. Malapit nang maluto. Ininin pa natin. Luto na guys. Kakain na ako. Luto na. Luto na. Kakain na ako. Again, ito ang kanin na may split peas. Kain na na. Kain tayo. Kain na na. Ayan, kumuha na ako ng rice. Cooking rice for the week. And I'm gonna add spinach. Let me wash the rice for now. Rice wash in the stove now. Start cooking. Ayan guys, kumukulo na. Ilagay na natin ang spinach. Tuna! Pwede nang kumain. Masarap sa paksiw. Tuna, kain na na. Actually, nagluto ako ng catfish, paksiw na catfish. Tamang-tama, partner sa kanin. Kain na na!
Cooking my own rice may seem like a simple, everyday task, but for me, it represents something deeper. It is a personal choice, a commitment to take control of what I eat and how I take care of my body. My rice, my rules is not just a phrase. It reflects my decision to cook with intention, to be mindful of my health, and to create better habits starting in my own kitchen. Healthy living does not always require expensive ingredients or complicated recipes. In fact, it begins at home, with simple choices made every day. When I prepare my own meals, I know exactly what goes into my food. I can choose to use less oil, balance my portions, and even mix in healthier options. Healthy starts at home reminds me that small actions, like cooking rice properly and mindfully, can lead to long-term benefits for my well-being. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss my future videos. Also, let me know your thoughts in the comments. I love hearing from you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay awesome. Bye!
I just had to let you know you're